Even the
Section 270.
senators cannot open this box? That issue of confidentiality, we cannot open the box. No. Because there are two requirements. Inquiry in aid and executive session. Both should be present. And assuming that the committee will decide not to open, may I just ask, when is the correct time to open the box? Commissioner?
Well, if the committee says that this is not in aid of legislation, then Section 20A will not apply. And therefore, what we will do, Madam Chair, is to withdraw our submission.
Madam Chair, this has been submitted already. I'd rather
Madam Chair,
keep this.
what do you mean withdraw your
Even when it's
submission? You will
sealed.
take this back? The box?
Yes, Madam Chair, because when we submitted the documents,
To be specific, Commissioner, in the event that the committee votes in favor of probable cause, assuming only for the purpose of discussion that the impeachment complaint is transmitted to the Senate, will they be in the correct position to open this box? I'm referring to the senators.
Well, if we go by the specific statutory exceptions, Madam Chair, an impeachment proceeding or an impeachment trial is not one.
Can you speak louder,
Yeah.
Com?
If I go by the specific statutory exceptions, Madam Chair,
It's not
then-
part of your exception. It doesn't make mention at all of impeachment proceeding.
precisely, Madam Chair. So that is not, what I am saying is that an impeachment proceeding or an impeachment trial is not one of the exceptions.
So
to
even the
Section 270.
senators cannot open this box?
If we go by the provisions of the law, Madam Chair, then there is no basis as well for the disclosure.
Again, Madam Chair.
Madam Chair. Madam Chair.
Madam Chair,
This is such an absurd
Chair.
situation.
The Honorable Rurik Padiernos, and then the Honorable Tino, and then the Honorable D.S. Suarez.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I want to ask some clarificatory questions.
Is that about the box?
Yes, Madam
Yes.
Chair. Because yung na-mention po kasi, Madam Chair, ni BIR Commissioner, this representation is in the position that impeachment proceedings is sui generis. It's a class of its own, different from yung na-mention po na in aid of legislation. So, I just wanted to again, if I heard it correctly from the Commissioner, Madam Chair, if the section that was mentioned a while ago does not apply, does it mean that you you have to get the box, meaning you're not bound because wala nga pong basis ang pagbigay. So that's the only way that you will submit. Medyo mahirap po tong sitwasyon natin kasi po we don't have a specific law to say that pwede po talaga niyang ibigay yan, except yun lang po yung basis niya. So I just wanted to get a clarification from the Commissioner.
Madam Chair, had it, as mentioned by Representative Adyong a while ago, had it been the intention that the impeachment proceeding be an exception to Section 270 of the National Internal Revenue Code, then the law would have said so, as it did in the Bank Secrecy Law, where it is explicitly provided that an impeachment proceeding is an exception to the confidentiality of bank deposits.
Madam Chair. Madam Chair. Madam Chair. Sige po.
Are you finished, Honorable Padiernos?
Madam Chair, maybe the committee should address this by voting on the matter after the Honorable Tino makes his manifestation.
Let's hear first the position of the justice members.
Madam Chair.
Madam Chair.
Honorable Tino and then Honorable De Lima.
So just to be clear, Madam Chair, mukhang ang nangyayari ngayon, originally, the position of the BIR was, correct me if I'm wrong, kaya daw po nila sinubmit sa committee yung mga dokumento dahil sa kanilang pagtingin, covered nung exception sa batas. No, dahil ininterpret nila broadly yung phrase na in aid of legislation. Kaya nila binigayan. Pero ang requirement lang nila or ang parang condition lang nila ay dapat in executive session. Tama po ba, Commissioner?
That is correct, Madam Chair.
Oh, so yun po ang original na position nila. No, na it falls within the exception. We interpret the phrase in aid of legislation broadly as Congress exercising all its functions. Okay, so therefore, pwede, basta in executive session. However, mukhang nakumbinsi si Commissioner at ang BIR ni Congressman Adjong. kaya ngayon, mukhang nagbago na po ang posisyon nyo. At kaya nga po sabi, i-withdraw na nila. Tama po ba?
Hindi po. Kasi po kung sinasabi po ng committee mismo na hindi ito in aid of legislation, hindi ho namin po pwedeng i-invoke ang Section 28. Kaya kinakailangang i-withdraw namin.
Opo. So, lumalabas, mas nakumbinsi ng committee as a whole, batay sa mga naririnig, no, na, well, hindi nga ito in aid of legislation, therefore hindi. No? Pero, again, this is under consideration by the committee. At ako po, actually, sumasang-ayon nga po ako sa naging original na posisyon ng BIR na broadly, yun ang ibig sabihin ng provision na yun, ng exception na yun. Otherwise, Madam Chair, sa tanong nyo, kailan pwedeng buksan yan? Kung magiging stricto tayo sa in aid of legislation, then as I said earlier, I may file a House resolution in aid of legislation requesting the same documents at lalabas, pwede na. Di ba? For as long as it is in executive session. No? And also, so in other words, ordinaryong resolution lang, pwede na nating buksan yan kung ganon. Samantala, dun sa tanong nyo pa further, kung umabot sa trial sa Senado ito, kahit ang Senate sitting as an impeachment court, hindi nila pwedeng buksan yan kung ganon. Diba? Dahil makitid ang magiging interpretasyon dun sa in aid of legislation. So parang ganun po ang sitwasyon ngayon na kailangan mag-antay tayo sa pag-file ng resolution in aid of legislation at maaring masilip in executive session ang mga nilalaman yan. Or we can go with the interpretation that in aid of legislation is in a very broad and generic meaning. Parang ganun po, Madam Chair.
Now let's hear from the Honorable De Lima.
Thank you, Madam Chair. This matter seems to be a gray area. Pero ito pong pananaw ko. The position that the only exception to the rule of confidentiality of those records is kapag ang Congress, ang House, ay nag-request in aid of legislation, but subject to that limitation that it should be an executive session, actually renders our role in an impeachment case, in an impeachment proceedings, inferior to that role as a body with legislative functions. Because ours, when sitting here in an impeachment proceedings, is a special constitutional duty. So hindi po katanggap-tanggap sa akin ang sasabihin po ngayon ng the Honorable BIR Commissioner na babawiin na lang namin ang kahon na yan Kasi nga, hindi siya sakop sa exception, which is when mag-request in aid of legislation. When our role sitting in impeachment proceedings is a special constitutional duty. It is superior to that as when we are acting merely as a legislative body. Yun po ang aking position. But of course, the issue of cautiousness is another matter. Kaya nga ho tinatawag kong gray matter po ito. Pero insulto po sa House through this committee in an impeachment proceedings na sasabihin na ito, dahil hindi ito in aid of legislation, ay hindi tayo sakop ng exception, even if hindi nakalagay sa batas. Tungkol lang yun nun sa pag-request. But sabi nga po ni Congressman Ridon, ay sabina po ito, hindi po ito ordinary request from the House of Representatives. So yun po ang aking posisyon.